Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best gold tree decorations is probably one of the most elegant and festive additions you can make to your holiday setup, instantly elevating the ambience of any room with its luxurious shimmer and classic appeal, making it a timeless choice for those who appreciate sophisticated seasonal styling and a touch of opulence during the festive period. Number 5. Prextex 36PC Gold Shatterproof Christmas Ornament Set. Get a complete set of 36 gold ornaments in 3 different sizes. They are perfect for decorating your Christmas tree, wreaths, or garlands for a full, festive look. These ornaments come in a variety of elegant finishes, including matte, shiny, glitter, and patterned textures. They add sophistication and depth to your seasonal decorations. Crafted from sturdy materials, these ornaments are shatterproof, making them safe for homes with children or pets. They also feature pre-attached loops for easy hanging. These decorations are designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Add charm to your tree, windows, or railings with their lasting seasonal elegance. This bulk set is perfect for DIY projects, weddings, parties, or general festive decor. They bring timeless beauty to any holiday theme, whether modern or traditional. What we like? This set offers a complete decorating solution with 36 pieces in various sizes and styles. It features a mix of matte, shiny, and glitter finishes for a sophisticated look. If you're looking for a comprehensive and elegant collection to adorn your entire tree or multiple displays, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The gold color is very vibrant and looks luxurious on the tree. These ornaments are lightweight, making them easy to hang without weighing down branches. The intricate detailing on each gold ornament adds a touch of elegance to the holiday decor. Number 4. Clear Plastic Christmas Ball Ornaments 30 CT 2.36 inch. Introducing our set of 30 clear plastic Christmas ball ornaments. They are made from durable, eco-friendly plastic, ensuring they last for many holidays to come. Each ornament is 2.36 inches in diameter, making them the ideal size for most Christmas trees. They are designed to add a special touch to your holiday decor. These ornaments come with a removable lanyard for effortless hanging. You can also easily personalize them with your own DIY decorations to make your holidays sparkle. Add a festive atmosphere to any space with these beautiful ornaments. They remain vibrant and attractive whether displayed indoors or outdoors, enhancing your home decoration. Worry-free decorating is here. These shatter-resistant ornaments are safe for homes with children and pets. They are also conveniently packed for easy storage and gifting. Beyond the Christmas tree, these versatile balls can adorn garlands, windows, or even serve as a unique centerpiece. They are perfect for holiday, wedding, and party celebrations. What we like? These clear plastic balls offer a unique and attractive look for your holiday decor. They come with removable hooks for easy hanging and are shatter-resistant, making them safe for homes with children and pets. If you desire a versatile decoration that can be used for Christmas, weddings, or parties, and you appreciate the ability to customize them with DIY elements, these are a great option. What people say. The gold color is rich and doesn't look cheap. They are lightweight and easy to hang on the tree. The intricate details on each ornament are beautiful and add a touch of elegance. Number 3. Childom Artificial Poinsettia Christmas Flowers. Add a touch of festive sparkle to your holiday season. These beautiful glitter poinsettias are designed to bring warmth and cheer to your home. Each flower measures 5.9 inches, making them the ideal size for your Christmas tree. They are designed to easily attach and stay in place, adding a perfect finishing touch. Crafted from glitter, plastic, and fabric, these decorations are perfect for more than just trees. Use them on wreaths, garlands, or tabletops to enhance any festive display. Decorating is a breeze with these artificial poinsettias. They come with clips that easily attach to your Christmas tree, making your holiday setup shine bright. These bright and colorful flowers are sure to catch the eye. Their beautiful sparkle will enhance your Christmas tree and door frames, creating a joyful atmosphere. You'll receive a set of 12 gold glitter poinsettia flowers. They are ready to add a dazzling effect to your Christmas tree and holiday decor. What we like? These artificial poinsettia flowers are adorned with glitter, adding a dazzling sparkle to your Christmas tree. Each flower comes with a clip for easy attachment, making decorating a breeze. If you love a glamorous and festive aesthetic, and want to add a unique floral element to your tree, wreaths, or garlands, these glitter poinsettias are perfect for you. What people say. The gold color is vibrant and doesn't fade. These ornaments are lightweight and easy to hang. The intricate designs add a touch of elegance to the tree. Number 2. 14-pack Christmas glitter berry stems. Add a touch of festive sparkle to your Christmas tree and home decor with these beautiful glitterberry stems. They are perfect for creating a warm and inviting holiday atmosphere. These versatile picks can be used in countless ways. Decorate your Christmas tree, wreaths, garlands, or even use them as vase fillers to bring cheer to any room. Each package includes 14 individual stems, each adorned with approximately 15 glitter berries. This generous quantity ensures you have enough to enhance all your holiday decorating projects. Made from foam balls and wire, these berry stems are designed to last. Their flexible nature allows for easy shaping and placement in your DIY crafts and arrangements. Elevate your holiday ambience with these stunning artificial berries. They are ideal for adding dimension and vibrancy to your Christmas tree, garlands, and wreaths. Unleash your creativity with these glitter berry decorations. They are perfect for DIY Christmas wreaths and various craft projects, adding a unique touch to your handmade creations. What we like. This pack features 14 individual glitter berry stems, each with numerous shimmering berries. The flexible wire stems allow for easy shaping and placement in floral arrangements, wreaths, or directly on your Christmas tree. If you're looking to add dimension and a touch of sparkle to your holiday crafts and decor, especially in a champagne or red berry theme, these picks are ideal. What people say. These gold tree decorations are a beautiful addition to any holiday decor. The intricate designs on these ornaments are stunning and add a touch of elegance. They are made of durable material and will last for many seasons. Number 1. Juvale 10.5 in Gold Wire Tabletop Tree, 2-pack. Introducing a refined gold tree, crafted from durable wire for lasting quality. It offers a touch of elegance, perfectly complementing your existing home decor accents. Measuring 10.5 inches, this compact tree fits seamlessly into small spaces like desks and mantels. Its sophisticated design makes it a standout piece for any room. Infuse sophistication into your home with this elegant piece, perfect as a centerpiece or standalone decoration. It adds warmth and charm to any interior space. This mini tree integrates seamlessly into your office, offering a touch of elegance and festive charm. It's a durable and stylish solution for your desk. This gold table decor makes a thoughtful gift for anyone who appreciates elegant home decorations. Its versatile design enhances any table setting beautifully. What we like. This is a sophisticated gold wire tabletop tree, standing at 10.5 inches tall. Its durable construction and elegant design make it a perfect accent for desks, mantels, or any small space. If you appreciate refined decor and are looking for a stylish, minimalist piece to enhance your holiday ambience in a living room, bedroom, or office, this mini tree is an excellent choice. What people say. The gold tree decorations are a beautiful addition to any holiday display. These ornaments have a classic design that complements various decorating styles. The durable material ensures these decorations will last for many seasons. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.